Hello, we're going to go over a question that appears in both the Foundation and Higher iGCSE Paper 1 in summer 2019. I recommend pausing the video after each question is shown so you can try it yourself. Then play the video again to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. This is question 23 on the Foundation paper and question 9 on the Higher paper. So the question gives us a diagram showing a shape made from a right-angled triangle and a semicircle. And we're given that AC is the diameter of the semicircle and that the lengths BA and BC are both 6 centimetres and that the angle ABC is 90 degrees. We're wanting to work out the area of the shape and to give our answer to 1 decimal place. So if you would like to pause the video, attempt answering the question and return and play the video again to see what the answer is and where the marks are available. Welcome back. Okay, so we're trying to find the area of this shape, and the shape is made up of a right-angled triangle and a semicircle. So we can see the triangle has a base of 6 centimetres and a height of 6 centimetres. So first of all, we want to know how we work out the area of a triangle. And that is by doing half of the base times the height. And if we work that out, we find that the area of this triangle is 18 centimetres squared. We also want to know how to find the area of the semicircle. And this will be half the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. To do this, we need to find out what the radius is. We can see the diameter is the same as the hypotenuse of the triangle. To find the hypotenuse, we can use Pythagoras. And Pythagoras says if we add the square of the two sides, that will be the same as the hypotenuse squared. I've used x to label my hypotenuse. And this means we've got 36, add 36 is the same as x squared. So 72 is x squared, which means that x will be the square root of 72. For those doing the higher paper, you might like to write this as 6 square root 2. But it's also okay to write this as 8.485. So now we know the diameter is our 6 square root 2 or 8.485, whichever you're wanting to use, which means our radius is half our diameter. So our radius can either be wrote as 3 square root 2 or 4.243. Now we've got our radius, we can find the area of the semicircle. Which is going to be half times pi times our r squared, which is 3 square root 2 squared, or the 4.243 squared. And this will give us an answer of either 9 pi, or if you want to write it as a decimal, 28.3, which is to 1 decimal place. The question would like us to work out the area of the full shape. So we need to be able to bring those two areas together And so we're going to add the 18 and the 28.3. Which means our final answer is 46.3 centimetres squared. So if you manage to get the 46.3, then you will have earned the full 5 marks. Otherwise, you might be able to gain some points for some of the working that you've done. The first point is for finding the area of the triangle, 18 centimetres squared. The next point is available for applying Pythagoras and finding that the diameter squared is 72. The third point is for finding the diameter is 8.485. The fourth point is for finding the area of the semicircle, 28.3. And the final point is for finding the final answer. The total area is 46.3 centimetres squared to 1 decimal place. I hope you found that helpful.